Hello, my name is Agnes and I work in property in office. And why I came to see Nick is that I noticed that I have my hump growing, and I had a concern. Plus, I had headaches from sitting all day long and also back pain. And when I came to see Nick and started working with him, it was real pleasure. And what I really learned about the intelligence of my body, like I have also intelligent feet and really be grounded. What it is to be grounded. Also, I literally feel like after all these sessions I've done with Nick is that I've grown taller, and it's really has my friends complimented on me on how straight my back is, how my posture has changed completely, and the most importantly is I don't have my headaches as I used to. My back pain has, like lower back pain, has disappeared. And yes, what else? What else? I really, I mean, the peace of mind you get when you come to Nick's sessions and afterwards is just like literally, uh, you fly, the whole day, and you're inspired, you're motivated, and yeah, you live in a healthy body. So I highly recommend Nick to do the sessions with him, and it was awesome to work with him.